The future of handheld gaming just got a second screen. Meet the Ayaneo Pocket DS, the next evolution in portable play, and it's already making waves before it even hits shelves. Fresh off the release of the Flip 1S DS, Ayaneo has lifted the curtain on its boldest design yet. The Pocket DS isn't just another clamshell. It's an ARM-powered handheld built to rival devices like the Retroid Pocket Flip 2, but with sharper hardware, sleeker lines, and yes, crafted with a CNC-milled chassis, the Pocket DS screams premium from every angle. Its secondary screen, larger and more functional than anything we saw on last year's Flip DS. And while its unconventional controller layout might raise eyebrows, it's a deliberate move. Ayaneo is pushing the boundaries of how handhelds should feel in your hands. Under the hood, the Pocket DS trades x86 for Qualcomm's Snapdragon muscle. The result? Cooler, quieter gaming sessions without sacrificing the power today's titles demand. This is the handheld designed to stay chill even when the action heats up. Ayaneo isn't teasing. The Pocket DS is already in mass production. Full specs and launch details drop tomorrow, but we won't have to wait long to see it close up. The Pocket DS will take center stage at ChinaJoy 2025 in Shanghai, August 1st through 4th, and from a bold design to a true dual display experience, the Ayaneo Pocket DS isn't just another entry in the handheld race. It's a statement. Premium hardware, a fresh vision, and the promise of portable gaming reimagined. Are you ready to play on two screens?
Hold me close till I get up.